This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. Check your Chromebook specs for USB-C alt mode or DisplayPort over USB-C. If you have only USB-A, you need an active adapter. Once done, inspect the monitor for HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, or USB-C input and choose the appropriate cable or adapter. Make sure power is available for any powered hub. You're initiating the connection now, so gather a USB-C to HDMI cable or a USB-C dock, and a short HDMI or once cables and adapters are ready, power on the monitor and set its input to the port you will use. Next, connect the USB-C cable to the Chromebook. If your adapter requires extra power, connect it first so the signal is stable. After the physical hookup, open Chromebook settings and go to Displays to detect, arrange, and choose Mirroring versus Extended Desktop. Adjust resolution and scaling for readability. Make sure to apply changes and move windows to verify the layout behaves as expected. To finish, confirm audio routes to the monitor if it has speakers and test any touchscreen features. You want everything behaving before you work. If the screen stays blank, unplug and replug the adapter, switch inputs, or restart the Chromebook. These quick steps often resolve handshake issues. If problems persist, swap the cable or use a different adapter, and make sure your Chromebook OS is up to date to improve driver support. One key tip: try a powered USB-C hub or active adapter for stubborn displays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.